What if I told you Royal Enfield has just created one of its rarest motorcycles ever? Meet the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 Rough Crafts Edition. Built in collaboration with legendary custom builder Rough Crafts, this stunning machine is limited to just 100 units worldwide. But is it simply a stylish special edition, or is it a future collector's dream? Let's find out. The biggest story behind this motorcycle is the partnership with Rough Crafts, a famous custom workshop founded by Winston Ye in Taiwan. Known for blending aggressive styling with premium craftsmanship, Rough Crafts has transformed the Shotgun 650 into something that looks straight out of a custom bike show while remaining fully road legal. At first glance, the Rough Crafts edition immediately stands out. It features a striking combination of gloss jet black and matte black paint, highlighted by elegant gold detailing and hand-finished pinstripes. Premium touches include a brass tank badge, quilted leather seat, bar and mirrors, contrast-cut alloy wheels, and gold-colored front forks. Every detail has been carefully designed to give this bike an unmistakable premium custom appearance. Underneath the custom styling, the bike retains Royal Enfield's proven 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing around 47 horsepower and 52.3 newton meters of torque. It comes paired with a 6-speed gearbox, delivering smooth, predictable power that's perfect for relaxed cruising and enjoyable weekend rides rather than outright speed. Here's what makes this motorcycle truly special. Royal Enfield will build only 100 examples worldwide, with each bike carrying its own unique identity. That level of exclusivity means most enthusiasts will never even see one in person. For collectors, this could become one of the most desirable modern Royal Enfields ever produced. If you're looking for maximum performance, the standard Shotgun 650 already delivers the same riding experience. But if you value exclusivity, craftsmanship, and owning something incredibly rare, the Rough Crafts Edition offers a level of uniqueness that few motorcycles in this price category can match. So, what do you think? Is the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 Rough Crafts Edition the rarest and coolest Royal Enfield ever built? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle news, first looks, and exclusive updates from around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.